Johnny's PC business is declining due to the increase of tablets. This month he produced 500,000 PCs, but the production analyst projected a decline of 9% each year. Write an equation that models the number of PCs produced each year. In this case, we have a amount that's decreasing, is declining by 9%. So therefore, our equation should have a minus in between. Now remember, your equation is y is equal to your principal, which is your initial amount. 1, in this case, is going to be a minus since it's declining. If it was increasing, there will be a plus in between. R to the power of t. That's it. P is your initial amount, which is 500,000. 1 minus your rate, which is 9%, and I want to be able to convert it to a decimal, so I'm going to move it to the left twice, 1, 2, 0.09, and to the power of t. I'm going to go ahead and subtract those two numbers. At this point, you're able to use a calculator, but you want to be able to just be able to do it without it at this point. So 500,000, 1 minus 0.009 is you have $1, take away 9 cents, you end up with 91 cents. So therefore, this is the equation for letter A. Letter B, how many pieces this company will be able to produce in 5 years from now? So therefore, we're going to plug in the 5 instead of the t for years. And we can just do it on the calculator. But let's write it down. Y is equal to 500,000, 0.91 to the power of 5. So 500,000 multiplied by 0.91 to the power of 5. So after 5 years, the company is only going to be making or producing 312,016 pieces. So remember, that is declining, so your amount should be less than $500,000, which sounds correct. Letter C. On letter C, it's asking you, how many years will he be expected to produce 100,000 pieces? So therefore, I'm applying the 100,000 into the Y or into the T? Into the Y. And remember, they're asking for how many years, so therefore we need to solve for T. So it'll be 100,000 equal to 500,000, 0.91 to the power of T. And now I just need to be able to solve for T. The 500,000 and the 0.91 to the power of t, they're multiplying. So therefore, I'm going to divide by 500,000. That cancels. 0 cancels, 0 cancels, 0 cancels, 0 cancels. 1 divided by 5, you can use your calculator, which gives you 0.2. And now to get rid of the base, we are going to take the log on both sides. And since I want them to cancel, they need to have the same base. So I'm going to put 0.91, 0.91. The bases cancel. And therefore, that's my answer. So t is equal to the log 0.91 and 0.2. And we're just going to use a calculator to be able to type that in. So I'm going to use my log with a base 0.91 of 0.2. And it's going to take 17 years for your production to fall. 7.06 or 17 years if you round it up. For it to fall down to 100,000 pieces.